Today we are discussing questions and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, you plan to create the Power BI model shown in the exhibit. Now see this exhibit. The data has the following refresh requirements. First, customer must be refreshed daily. Second, date must be refreshed once every 3 years. Third, cells must be refreshed in near real time. Fourth, cells aggregate must be refreshed once per week. Fifth, minimize the load times of visuals. You need to select the storage models for the tables. The solution must meet the following requirements. First, minimize the load times of visuals. Second, ensure that the data is loaded to the model based on the refresh requirements. Which storage model should you select for each table? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is, you have a project management app that is fully hosted in Microsoft Teams. The app was developed by using Microsoft Power Apps. You need to create a Power BI report that connects to the project management app. Which connector should you select? Option A, Microsoft Teams Personal Analytics. Option B, SQL Server Database. Option C, Dataverse. Option D, Data Flows. Correct answer is option C. Our next question is, for the sales department at your company, you publish a Power BI report that imports data from a Microsoft Excel file located in a Microsoft SharePoint folder. The data model contains several measures. You need to create a Power BI report from the existing data. The solution must minimize development effort. Which type of data source should you use? Option A, Power BI dataset. Option B, a SharePoint folder. Option C, Power BI data flows. Option D, an Excel workbook. Correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you import two Microsoft Excel tables named customer and address into Power Query. Customer contains the following columns: customer ID, customer name, phone, email address, address ID. Address contains the following columns: address ID, address line 1, address line 2, city, state or region, country, postal code. Each customer ID represents a unique customer in the customer table. Each address ID represents a unique address in the address table. You need to create a query that has one row per customer. Each row must maintain city, state or region, and country for each customer. What should you do? Option A, merge the customer and address tables. Option B, group the customer and address tables by the address ID column. Option C, transpose the customer and address tables. Option D. Append the customer and address table. Correct answer is option A. Our next question is you have a CSV file that contains user complaints. The file contains a column named logged. Logged contains the date and time each complaint occurs. The data in logged is in the following format: 2018 12:31 at 8:59 a.m. You need to be able to analyze the complaints by the logged date and use a built-in date hierarchy. What should you do? Option A. A transformation to extract the last 11 characters of the logged column and set the data type of the new column to date. Option B. Change the data type of the logged column to date. Option C. Split the logged column by using at as the delimiter. Option D. Apply a transformation to extract the first 11 characters of the logged column. Correct answer is option C. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.